माटी माटी मैं माटी माटी तू माटी माटी मैं माटी माटी तू माटी का यह तन माटी है हर सू माटी से सब आया है सब माटी में मिल जाएगा कुदरत है पगला कुम्हार जाने कैसा घड़ा बनाएगा
So Richa this side, and I would be glad enough to know something about you related to your life and your struggle actually.
Hi Richa, pleasure's all mine. My name is Uday Kature and I'm from Pune, born and raised here, studying in Vadia College. I'm studying literature, English literature, and currently I'm living with my father. And yeah, just be two in our family. And yeah, I've been open now that I'm gay. I'm proud gay since 7 years. It's been 7 long years that I'm, open to my family and open to the world.
My first question to you is that when and how this thing came up to your parents, did they accept your existence this way? And of course, what was their reaction?
So, yeah, I mean, when I was in my 10th standard and I was dating this guy, I just completed my 10th and जो बीच में the holidays were there, the holidays were going on उस holidays के बीच में I really felt that, I am, I'm feeling this, I have this attraction for boys and I don't know what it is and it was a bit tough to understand myself also because it was all new to me. So, yeah, after a while I did tell my parents about it and they were pretty accepting. I took them out for dinner and that is the time when I came out to my parents. My mom actually, boys are definitely very close to their moms. Rather than their dads. So my mom somewhere knew it and she told me that, I kind of knew it, the way you look at boys and the way, the body language that changes when you see a guy walking or in movies or whatever, serials or whatever the thing is. And my dad was pretty not accepting at starting because he didn't understand what the difference, being a gay or transgender, whatever it is. And it took me a while, like a week or two, to make him understand, to make him realize what am I feeling. And yeah, after that, all's good in the hood now.
Okay, this was good enough. So LGBT community में आपके यानी जो आपका हिजड़ा समाज है उसकी क्या डेफिनेशन है? आप अपने आप को कहाँ स्टैंड पाते हो उसमें?
Okay, so LGBT community जो है, that is the lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender community. ठीक है, उसमें I am gay. Okay, in that community I stand for gay.
Okay. So how did you find yourself different from other normal people? Like any incident that would you like to share it with us?
So firstly, I want to say that there is nothing abnormal about me. I mean, I'm pretty normal. So, and I guess the feeling, even if I'm gay, that doesn't make me abnormal. So, means I have 2 eyes, 1 nose, and 2 ears. So that's pretty normal, I guess. And yeah, different from other people. I guess the so-called society that thinks that a guy should only like a girl and a girl should only have feelings for boys. From that different point of view, I say that yes, I am a bit different and I'm proud of being that different. In school times or basic simple things that in the beginning when we saw just normal serials or whatever, we see guys playing football or anything like these basic things, and then you find attraction towards them and you find them attractive and you like them. That is the time, that was the basic things that were happening to me. And I was realizing that maybe that my liking is a bit different as compared to the other so-called people, normal people.
As we know, LGBT community right in India passed in the year 2018. So uske pehle, how tough was this for you to explain your identity to the society? Was they accepting it?
So I want to add up that people were gay, were lesbians. It was just that people were not understanding it, or were not coming out of the closet. But as the section got approved and everything, came out so fast, and that is the time when people started coming out. That is the time when people started being confident and whatever they are in their own skin, in their own feeling. It's okay, even if you're gay, you're bisexual, you're lesbian, you're pansexual, whatever you are. So yeah, and of course it was super tough for me. It was extremely tough. I went through depressions, and from changing colleges to some personality development classes to taking medicines and whatnot. It's been it's still a tough life, because even today we have to face issues, because in a country like India, there's still problem that goes on. If you come out and say that yes, you're gay, people do not take it in the right aspect. Some, I guess. But yeah, problems are everywhere, but you should know how to deal with the problems.
If everyone was to breathe.
People screaming.
Okay, this will be the last of our round. अगर आपके पास अलादीन का चिराग हो and genie ask you for one wish, तो आपकी वो एक wish क्या होगी? This is my personal question. I would like to know about this.
Okay, so अगर अलादीन का चिराग हो और this wish thing is there, so I really wish कि जो people हैं, the LGBT people, they should be strong enough to accept themselves, strong enough to stand up. ऐसी power दो जो they be strong, because मैं बहुत लोगों को जानता हूँ, they are weak, they are scared, they are afraid of the society, of what people will say, just scared. So मैं चाहता हूँ कि हर एक LGBT member strong बने, और हर एक LGBT member की family मेरे family की तरह उन्हें accept करे. I just want that to happen, and wow, what an amazing place would it be. Why care of the society? Why care? लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं? जब हमारे घर वाले हमें एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं, हम जैसे भी हो, तो लोगों का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हमें नहीं मैटर करता, एंड दैट्स इम्पोर्टेंट, आई गेस. और या
It was really great talking to you. I'm glad that I got the opportunity to know about your life, about your struggle. So any message for our viewers that you would like to give, and like it would go like awareness to the public, normal public?
So I want to say, to everyone one out there who's watching this video, who's listening to me, that love is love, guys. Love is love. If it's between a man and a man, a woman and a woman, or a man and a woman, whatever it is, love is love. Respect everyone's feeling. I just wanna say this. And yeah, and for the LGBT people, I wanna say, just be proud in whatever you are. Just be there. Stop having this fear of log kya kahenge, because you are what you are. Do not care what others say. Just be yourself and live your life to the fullest. Thank you.
कुदरत की करनी को तू काहे समझे भूल है, ओ माटी के इंसान कह दे छूटे तेरे उसूल है. माटी को सीने से लगा के कह दे माटी मुझे कबूल है, माटी मुझे कबूल है, मेरी माटी मुझे कबूल है. माटी माटी मैं, माटी माटी तू, माटी माटी मैं, माटी माटी तू. माटी का यह तन, माटी है हर सू, हर साज नए सुर गाता, यहाँ गीतों की भरमार है। हर गीत दिल को छू जाएगा, सोच में जो थोड़ा प्यार है। कुदरत पर कसता लगाम, ये कैसा तेरा जुनून है। अपना ले माटी मन मेरे, ये नफरत तेरी फिजूल है। माटी को सीने से लगा के कह दे, माटी मुझे कबूल है। माटी मुझे कबूल है, मेरी माटी मुझे कबूल है। माटी माटी मैं, माटी माटी तू, माटी माटी मैं, माटी माटी तू। माटी का यह तन, माटी है हर सू। माटी माटी मैं, माटी